20 ways to use Epsom salt around the house. Remedy daily. Epsom salt isn't actually the table salt we all know. The mineral mixture, named for a saline spring in England, is actually a combination of magnesium and sulfate. This popular mineral is touted for its health benefits as well as uses in cleaning and gardening projects, according to SaltWorks. You can use Epsom salt in dozens of ways for health, beauty and cleaning projects. Check out just a few of the beauty and health hacks below you can do with this mineral, according to DIY and Crafts. 1. Clean your hair. 2. Foot scrub. Winter weather can leave toes and feet dry, cracked and gross. 3. Bye-bye frizz. Hello volume, your hair will thank you. 4. Wash your face, you'll get a moisture boost and remove dead skin cells. 5. Deflake the lips, make your own DIY lip scrub. 6. Ease a headache, if you have an aching head after a rough day at the office, or with the kids. 7. Nix tummy troubles, help ease constipation symptoms by drinking a teaspoon of Epsom salt in a glass of water. The magnesium should help get things flowing again. 8. Have a better morning after, if you had a little too much red wine last night, you can ease hangover symptoms. Sip a teaspoon in a bit of water to help flush out your system. Make sure to drink tons of water to stay hydrated, though. 9. Fade a bruise, skip the raw meat compress and grab the Epsom salt instead. Mix 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt with a little water and apply it to the bruised area. 10. Get more shut-eye, soak in an Epsom salt bath for about 20 minutes before dozing off to help you relax and loosen up for a better night's sleep. 11. Ease muscle pain, enjoy an Epsom salt bath after a hard day at the gym or working in the yard to alleviate muscle soreness and speed recovery. 12. Remove a splinter, apply salt to the skin over the splinter to help pull it to the surface. Bit of fond farewell to the painful tweezer method. Wellness Mama and SaltWorks offer a few suggestions for using Epsom salt around the house and garden. 13. Plant fertilizer, add 1 tablespoon of salt to tomato plant soil to encourage bigger plant growth. 14. Clean the bathroom, mix 1 part Epsom salt with 1 part liquid dish soap, and scrub grout and tile well. 15. Water your houseplants, mix a few tablespoons of Epsom salt with water and feed your plants as usual. 16. Deter slugs, sprinkle a bit of Epsom salt onto the patio to keep slugs at bay on rainy days. 17. Boost your roses, add a tablespoon of Epsom salt to your soil to promote healthier roses. 18. Clean the washer, fill your washing machine with hot water. Add Epsom salt and run a regular cycle to get rid of buildup on the insides of the machine. 19. Protect your plants, add Epsom salt to your grass and plants to keep bugs at bay. 20. Green up your grass, add 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt to a gallon of water and sprinkle it on your grass to keep it green. The magnesium prevents yellowing. Link in description.